up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. This is the recipe only version of the video that I just released under this same name, where I was full on vlog style, just hanging out in the kitchen, chatting you guys up. But I do know not everyone is on board with that kind of video, so here is the recipe only version. So buckle up, because this is gonna be fast, just the way you like it. The recipe ingredients are listed below this video, but please don't hesitate to click through to my blog where I do have the recipe in printable form with written instructions to go along. I also have the strawberry cake version of this recipe too. The key to success in these fruit cakes that I have developed is going to be the freeze-dried fruit. So before you ask what you can use instead, just know that this recipe was formulated perfectly to use the freeze-dried fruit powder only. I have not worked out a substitute recipe since using fruit purees and fruit compotes is definitely going to change the texture and the outcome of your cake. So you will definitely need a completely different recipe than this one if you can't get the freeze-dried fruits. That said, I do want to avoid a little bit of confusion by letting you know that I did make my own powder in my magic bullet by grinding up the freeze-dried fruits. Totally worked. Alright, so here we go. It is a very simple recipe where you're going to simply add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl and mix it by hand. You do not need an electric mixer for this. I actually added some turmeric so it would have a more yellow color. Just be careful you don't add too much like I did. Turmeric has a tendency to get really super bright after it's been baked into your goods. So I would say 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 would be totally fine, whereas I used closer to 3/4. I used 3 6-inch cake pans this time for 3 perfect layers, but you can also use a 9 by 9-inch square pan like I did for my strawberry cake recipe. Bake them in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes for these little cake pans, but I also have a video on how to know when your cakes are done baking, so you may want to check that one out too. Next, I made my American buttercream recipe, but you know what? A vegan whipped cream would be awesome. I do have recipes for 5 different buttercreams, plus a complete game changer vegan whipped cream recipe, all on my blog at gretchensveganbakery.com. Now, I did also make up a quick mango compote to go in between each layer. And that was done by cooking down 1 whole mango with about a 1/4 cup of sugar, a splash of white wine or water will do, and then pureed it to a thick compote. Coconut for garnish and more fresh mangoes on top with a little bit of compote that I had left over. And hey, I still got it when it comes to making buttercream roses. I haven't made a buttercream rose in probably 4 years, and I do have a complete tutorial for how to make buttercream roses, so just click on through at the end of this video for that demonstration. It is the end of the video. Alright, well there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.